Hello everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about this 2021 Hyundai ELANTRA SEL. Only has 36,000 miles and of course it's in silver. This ELANTRA is loaded with features and of course is a reliable sedan. So let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look for ourselves. So we're inside of this ELANTRA. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Go ahead and see if this one has 36,534 miles. Go ahead and see everything up on the dash. We'll get into that in a little bit. Let's go ahead and check out over here. Let's go ahead and turn down this fan speed so you can go ahead and hear me. Let's go on back home to the setup. Here's your home menu where you have your radio, what you're listening to, as well as your phone connection, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Have your menu where you can go ahead and see your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto app, user manual for in the glove box, as well as of course your notification, voice memo, radio, everything like that. Going ahead and hopping over to radio, you have your volume and tune, track and seek, everything like that. Hopping over to setup, you can go ahead and see your sound, general Wi-Fi things, so you can go ahead and customize within the vehicle. Go back on home, and I think that's the gist. You always can go ahead and customize your widgets, as well as your time management, everything like that. Go back on home, go ahead and put this in reverse, and go ahead and see the nice clear backup camera, as well as you have different camera views. You have a downward hitch view, as well as a regular backup view. So go ahead and put it back into park. That's the gist for up on the screen. You got your vents, hazard lights, as well as of course your engine start stop button right over here. Let's check out the key fob. The key fob for this ELANTRA has a lot. It has a lock and unlock, remote start, trunk release, as well as your alert system. Go ahead and use this key for keyless entry, everything like that. Overall, a great little key fob. Go ahead and set that down. Climate controls down below here. You have dual temperature for a different temperature from the driver to the passenger, as well as you got that digital temperature, everything like that. But that's the gist for there. Got some charging ports down here, USB, as well as a regular charging port, some storage, your gear shift. Beside your gear shift, you have your drive modes and parking camera that you can see at all times. Your drive modes are sport, smart, and normal. Go ahead and use those as you would like. Sport would be putting into drive, putting it over for that auto manual mode. Go ahead and use that. Got your cup holders, emergency brake, and center console with plenty of storage. Up here you have your lighting settings, so you can go ahead and access that. You can have it open for when your door is open, everything like that. And go ahead and check out over here, which is your instrumental panel settings. Like I mentioned, go ahead and check out things like your driver assistant, lights, door, sound, convenience, anything that you would want to know more about the vehicle are customized, like your theme, driver assistance, things within. Go ahead and customize. Over here you have your cruise control settings though, steering assist. Here you have your voice commands and hands-free calling, volume and tune, switching up the mode for what you're listening to, of course. Lighting settings, lane keep and traction control, and then of course your door panel has your normal necessities like child lock, window controls, door locks, mirror controls. Go ahead and customize that however you would like. Let's go ahead and take a step outside of this ELANTRA. Look at the interior of this ELANTRA. You have a gray cloth material, some stripes down the middle for all of the seats, black accents around. But let's go ahead and check out the back seats. Checking out back here, you have plenty of leg room for this being a ELANTRA. Go ahead and access all of that. Let's go ahead and see where you can put down the second row seats from the trunk. Going ahead and taking a walk back here, you have a button to go ahead and open up the trunk, as well as of course you do have it on the back. To go ahead and put down the second row seats, you have some pull levers right here. You can go ahead and pull down that row. Right in front here, you have a cargo net to go ahead and store some groceries, things like that. Go ahead and open this up, and you have a spare tire and some tools in case of any emergency out on the road. Go ahead and put that down. Nice amount of storage and space. Go ahead and shut the trunk to this ELANTRA, and I think that about wraps up everything for this sedan. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.